Hey, Freddy with CJ Off-Road. We've already installed a couple different exhausts on our 2016 Jeep Wrangler, but here at CJ's we offer a ton of different exhausts and we want to be able to show you as many as we can. So today we're going to be installing this dual exit aFe catback exhaust. This aFe catback exhaust is made of 2.5-inch mandrel bend stainless steel tubing with a high flow muffler, dual tailpipes with black tips to give your Jeep a nice look and a better sound. It comes with everything you need for an easy installation, so today we're going to install it using our 2016 Jeep Wrangler. Tools you'll need for this installation: a lift or a jack and jack stands, 1/2-inch ratchet, 15mm socket, 16mm socket, 18mm socket, 18mm wrench, and you'll probably need an exhaust hanger removal tool. This catback exhaust is pretty simple to install. We have to start off by removing the factory system, which is pretty easy. Just remove this clamp right here on the muffler, then remove the muffler from the two hangers. Loosen the clamp with a 15mm socket. Remove the driver's side hanger from the muffler. Then remove the rubber hanger from the frame mount. With both hangers removed, just twist the muffler and pull it off. Come up to the front of the exhaust now where the front pipe meets the Y pipe and remove the clamp. Now if you have some miles on your Jeep, this clamp might be pretty hard to remove, so you might want to use some penetrating lubricant. Remove the rubber hanger from the front pipe. Then there's one more hanger to remove. Then remove this rubber hanger near the axle. Lower this skid plate by removing the rear two bolts and then loosening the front two. Then come back to the back of the exhaust and twist it to pull it off the front pipe. Bring the exhaust back. Bring it around the skid plate and then bring it forward to remove it. With the factory exhaust out of the way, you can put a clamp over the Y pipe, install the rubber hanger onto the muffler, then install the muffler onto the Y pipe, then connect the rubber hanger. Install the provided bracket on the middle of the rear bumper, put the nut on the back side, and there are multiple locations this bracket can go in, but make sure you put it in the center. Tighten the bolt with a 16mm socket and hold the nut with an 18mm wrench. Install a clamp over the muffler pipe. Place the rubber hanger that's provided on the tailpipe, and it does go on one way, so make sure it points up. Now we can install the tailpipe. You might need some help with this. Put it over the axle and then get it on the hanger that you just installed onto the bumper. Install the tailpipe onto the muffler. Get it into the final hanger. With the exhaust fully in place, you can tighten all the clamps, start at the front, then work your way back. It's now time to install the tips. Put a clamp on each tip, get them to where you like it, then tighten the clamp. Finally, you can reinstall the skid plate. And your installation's finished. Our aFe catback exhaust is installed. The dual center tips give this Jeep a very unique look, and it sounds good too. Installation is only going to take you about an hour and a half, and before you know it, you'll be heading off road.